This video will cover the Vertiv DSView Solution MP1000 TACACS configuration. Before we begin, you should already have a TACACS server configured in your environment. Log in to the MP1000 web interface. On the left-hand side, under Administration, select Authentication Providers. In the top right corner, select the plus sign and then select TACACS Plus. On the Add TACACS Plus Provider page, fill out the relevant information in regards to your TACACS server. For the purposes of this video, I'll be using the R-Access service, the LCP protocol, and the PAP authentication type. Once you select Add Provider, select the vertical ellipses next to the newly created profile and select Enable. Once complete, under Administration, select User Management. Then select the Groups tab. From here, we'll create a group and add users to map it to our TACACS server. Once the group has been created, select it and a menu will appear from the right-hand side. Expand and edit the group properties and add system roles. Next, expand and edit resource groups to add resource groups. We've added a few users to our newly created admin TAC group. I'm going to create a new user and not add them to the admin TAC group. Logging in with a non-admin TAC user shows that there are less options to configure the MP1000 platform. Logging in with a configured admin TAC user offers more options in the MP1000 web interface due to the permissions that were configured. Your DSView Solution MP1000 is now configured with TACACS.